Yeah, this OIA cat is going mega viral right now, and in this video I am going to show you how you can, with just a few simple clicks, create an OIA cat song yourself. And yes, we are going to use AI. Many thanks to Luffy for the comment. So are you excited? Well, let's go! Simply click the link in the description and go to Jammable. We will use Jammable to create our OIA cat songs. Now use the search bar, or if you are lucky like me, the OIA cat should be right here in the trending list. Before we can create the cover, we need to get the song we want to use. Since I do not want to get copyright claimed, I will use a Nefx song, which is in the audio library. This one.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too.
Now go to Jammable and click on Create Cover. Add the song. Now press Next Step. Now here we could change some settings, but we do need to press here anything except Convert. Now it will take less than a minute. Here is the result. Not bad. But we will edit it so it will be even better. So go ahead and download the a cappella and instrumental separately. Before we are going to edit that song, let's go back and create a new cover. This time we will look for Billie Jean on YouTube and download the video link. Now click on Create Cover and add the video link. Now do the same steps again. Okay, it sounds nice, but I cannot give you a preview because of copyright. But I will put an unlisted video link with the final result of Billie Jean in the description, so no worries. Now open CapCut and add the a cappella and instrumental. I will first edit the Billie Jean song. Now put them on top of each other. Now click on the vocals and go to Voice Changer. Now add, for example, an echo effect or some reverb. You can adjust the strength if necessary. I will also make the vocals a bit louder. Now for the visual aspect, simply search for the OIA cat on YouTube. This green screen video will be perfect. Download it with any free-to-use online YouTube video downloader. I am using the 4K video downloader because it is easy. Now add it to CapCut. Remove the audio. Go to Remove BG and click on Chroma key. Now click on the green and it will be gone. Now next, I downloaded the Billie Jean music video and added a cool retro effect to it. Let's duplicate the cat a couple of times so it stretches out over the entire video. Now add a filter. When you are done, export it in 4K. And if you want to see the end result for the Billie Jean song, be sure to click the unlisted video link in the description. Now I will edit the copyright-free song from Netflix. I made a copy of the previous project to work even faster. So yeah, add the instrumental and a cappella, put them on top of each other, change the volume, add some reverb, add the cat. For some extra visuals, you could consider downloading the copyright-free 3D animation tunnels. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own OIA cat songs with AI and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
Today that I would play for you. I don't misbehave, just say out, it's yours. It did not set them down from across the world.